pointed back crystals. Even like the 3D or flat back, you don't need a whole lot because you do not want to flood your crystals. Also, you don't want to not like keying not properly. And this is a no wipe top coat. Oh, Lishik, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Brazil, you off the frame, babe.
Oh, sorry. I was getting into it.
I'm getting into it too, and I didn't read the comment until now. I'm seeing it. Thank you so much, ladies. I'm so glad you like it. You love it. This is a tutorial for you. So definitely, I'm so glad you're enjoying it. So I'm gonna pick the centerpiece. And this one also glowed in the dark. And then the frame you can do a silver or gold frame. If you don't have it, definitely fine. But in the mix on the mix bag, usually you get a lot of different variety of different sizes and different frame and bead.
I love mixing silver and gold together. It's so, that's what gives it that royal look to me.
So really, you want to go into metal, and there's a let's say gold and silver metallic frame. That's what you want to see, and then make sure you check out the charm, the gold and silver metallic charm set 1 and set 2. Those have really nice shape.
So and then keep placing, and wherever I do, I keep them really like tight together, like really close together. You can continue to add more, like a little crystal. I'm gonna get my crystal tiny little AB right there.
Very nice.
You like it?
And the one
Oh my gosh, Brazil. It's really, you are like so expensive.
I don't know why it does that, but I get that look. I don't know why.
Yeah, it looks super fancy.
Thank you. I don't think I'm a fancy person, but I guess my clients are.
I think. See, that's all about it. Because the clients love it. That's all. It's matter.
Oh, that is look great, Brazil.
Oh, fancy. Fancy.
Oh my God, this one is so cute. Where did you get the stars and the lips from? The same.
Yes, that one is from the obsidian mix, I believe. So the obsidian charm mix.
So they're rose gold and they are obsidians, metallic charms. So you can get them separate. Oh, this one is really cool because it's in a mixed bag. But then some of the mixed bags have a different elements in there. So if you want exactly what you see, you can go into. I'm going to. So you like this? You like the star and the leaf? The star and the leaf. I did it before in one of the videos that we did. The encapsulate with the color acrylic liquid and powder. I did it and I was encapsulate on the close to the tip and free edges, and then I ombre with nude colors, and that leaves in the star was on the part of the glitters, and then you ombre the nude colors. You can do it on the top of the nails as the crystal placement. You can do it as stunnings for encapsulate. So I like them both. I know it's just really stunning. And then, where's my frame?
I can't wait to do some encapsulation with the. That's coming soon.
Yeah, that's just so. And then I find this one. Okay, I'm gonna be like Brazil. Look. Haha. It's nice, see? So you do it together and you learn together and...
Yes. Oh, thank you, Mama Vic. She said, beautifully done. Happy New Year, Caribbean Princess.
Hey, Happy New Year, everyone.
Hey, Sharanda. Happy New Year. She's here.
Sharanda, Happy New Year, babe.
Yes. We brought the New Year in with crystal placements. Saying hello to the new color of the year, which is the gray and the neon. So gorgeous.
Thank you. You can, like, you know what I'm thinking of? This one, you can do like a frame if you want to, you know?
That one's, it looks like it's soft, the little ball at the bottom. Yes. Do you have like yellow of the pom-pom? I would love to do a look with that.
I do believe we do have yellows pom-pom.
Yay!
We do yellow pom-poms and we have like red. We have a lot of colors though. And they are selling out like really fast. Because it's so cool. Like I wear it was one time and I love it because, you know, it's when I do, well, of course, shower, you just take the pom-pom off. And then when I was doing dishes or the clients, I just put gloves on and take my pom-pom off. And I can put it back on when you are...
The magnet is so strong.
Right.
I didn't know it was that strong. It's really strong.
I'm trying to find the frame. The curl frame?
The curl one? Maybe you had the cut one.
Yeah, right here. I found one.
Okay.
You can do the silver or the white, the gold. This one. Go perfect. Are you moving on to the next one now?
Yes.
You're doing so fast.
So I'm using my condensed glue gel and my non-white top coat. These two work together, and it would not be possible in my designs to stay and last as long as they would without these two. And they come in the trifecta kit, which is amazing.
Yeah. Get
now.
everything in one.
We get this, which is a cute pin. I'm going to do that at the end when I'm finished and go around all my stones with this small precision pin. And it's going to get every nook and cranny, every gap closed up. So nothing can get under there and grasp or pull. So that's going to ensure that your stones are in place.
I'm cutting one. Let me see if this one might fit. Too big. What happened? You have so many frames.
You use them all.
I know. Like I said, I use them all. I'm use them all too.
It's so easy to use them all.
I'll take this one quick off.
Yeah, I think that was over here. I'm not sure. I forgot how I had it.
All right. I'm like, should I add more on it? I can't stop.
You see, this one's supposed to be a small circle. Let's see what happens when I'm finished.
You always like, you will add it more and more on. Okay, I add more crystal on your lips. Right here, you like the lips.
Let me see.
Tiny little like SS3.
Ooh, I like that though. Ooh.
Thank you. I'm so glad you like it.
Oh, that's so cute.
All right, so
What are those? Oh, that's AB.
yes, the AB SS3.
It shines really nice with the obsidian metal
Yes,
around it.
it's just like kind of complemented. All right, so I'm going to here. Quick flash
Happy New
here.
Year, Linda. Happy New Year, CC.
Happy New Year,
Happy
Linda.
New Year, Deb. Yes. What are you guys doing?
Let me see, move it up a little bit. Oh, that's so gorgeous. The flowers. Like no, I think it moved forward. I'm sorry. Like you're off the frame.
Wait, let me look. Hold on. There we go. I'm hoping to stop here, but I just may not stop there. I think I'm gonna go in the
I
spiral.
don't think you stop there.
I don't think I can. I think I'm gonna go in the spiral.
You're probably gonna do more on the sides and
Yeah.
so this is the the look number 2. Does everybody vote and want to see the number 2s? And this is number 1. This is number 2. And then so things is we did this one right before New Year's.
Oh, I love that one.
This one is so cute. And then you can do exact the same one with your AB too on your kit. You can do that the same look in the AB. Because you have that. You have the AB shape.
I have those pieces.
I think you have that shape. You have the drop, and then you have a teardrop, and then you have the shard.
Okay. Oh yeah, I have the shirt. Yeah.
And this one is you can when the client's wearing this, you chalk it. Actually, they are outside with the charging by solar, and then when they come in, it will glow in the dark. If I turn everything off, this is glow in the dark.
Wow.
This one glow in under the black light, but this one will glow in the dark. That is from the color of the year 2021's mix bag.
Hello.
Can you hear me? I can still hear you. It's a little bit like Sabrina. Nancy, your nails reminds me of that news Netflix. Okay, show Sabrina. For really? Cece?
Hello. Nancy, can you? I can't hear anymore because someone tried to call me.
Oh, okay.
If you can, hang up and then maybe I can connect again.
Okay. Now I turn you off and then you come back again.
Turn my disturb on. Do not disturb.
Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4, which is this one.
So you're gonna do all?
Do one more. 2 more. What do I say? We'll have number 9, right?